We are done with our tutorial, but this will be an extra episode for those who are having an issue with the eye pupils being in place and going in track. So, yeah, without further ado. So, we'll start by making a plane. This plane will act as a surface that the eye pupils moves along. Start by making the vertex align with the shape of the eyes on the front views and start working on other views. Make sure that all the points are aligned perfectly on the x-axis too. And once you're done and satisfied with how it looks, just hide this plane. We don't need it right now. Make a circle. Make sure it's the right size. Then go into edit mode. Inset it a couple of times. Then go back to object mode and add an object constraint for the eye pupil. Make the target the plane that we made earlier and make this to the y-axis. Make sure it's outside the surface too and set the distance properly. Then add another object constraint, a shrink wrap as well, with the same target, the plane we made earlier. Then make it for the z axis. You can add a third one if you want, but this is optional for the x axis if things are not working properly for you. But yeah, that's about it. You just add the shrink wrap object constraint and it's moving perfectly now. It's not going out of place no matter how you change your view. Thank you. Hope that was useful.